you're writing for Hero Motor Corp. So Hero Motor Corp, and then its address, Okhla Industrial, whatever the address is, Noida. Pin code, telephone number, anything can be there. Anything. Alright? Next, what you have to do is you have to again write agenda over here. Right after you leave a line in the center in capital letters, you have to write agenda. After leaving a line, you have to write the date on which this agenda will be written. And probably it's almost the same date. So next thing you have to start with is this thing will be as it is for any topic that comes. So you start with the agenda for the annual general meeting AGM to be held in the King's Banquet Hall, sea facing Taj Mahal, Churchgate, Mumbai on 15th November 2018 at 5 p.m. is as under. All you have to do, what you have to remember is the agenda for the annual general meeting. That's it. Next is rest everything is from the question itself. Next what we have right here is to read and confirm the minutes of the previous meeting held on 15th August 2018. This a star mark because this is the most important agenda which has to be written in every agenda you write. This cannot be skipped off. To read and confirm the minutes of the previous meeting held on 15th August, whatever the date, you can imaginarily put it. To declare dividend, it's AGM, so we're writing points accordingly. To declare dividends for the financial year ending March 2019. To declare performance bonus for the year ending 2019. To declare the results of the election of directors for the tenure 2018-19. New directors and all that. Performance, dividend. You can write all. Next, what we have here is the further points to appoint new auditors for the company. Auditors appoint means to appoint or to consider. Anything which can be used to appoint or appointing or considering new auditors. Any of the three things you can use over here. Sixth is to appoint solicitors. Solicitors are legal lawyers and legal advisors to the company for the year 2018-19. Now last one is also star mark because this will also be the same. To consider any other point and urgent matters that may arise in the course of the meeting. Any other action, any other thing that will arise will also be accounted for. Next you have to write is XYZ secretary because this agenda is basically written by the secretary, and then Hero Motor Corp Limited, the name of the company. That's it. That is how your agenda will be done.